At Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, we understand the urgency of addressing water damage in Mercer County, New Jersey. Our dedicated team specializes in water damage restoration, ensuring your property is back to its prime. Water damage can be devastating, but our experts are equipped with the latest technology and expertise. Mercer County residents rely on us for swift and efficient water damage restoration services. Your home will be cleaned, sanitized, and decontaminated by us. Your property may have been severely damaged depending on the extent of the water damage, but our experts will make sure that all of your items and furnishings are cleaned and restored. We use our expert decontaminants and sanitizers to remove odors, stains, and decolorization as best we can, returning your home to its pre-flood condition. From flooded basements to burst pipes, no water damage challenge is too big for us to handle. With a quick call to 609-669-2155, we'll be at your doorstep, ready to tackle the issue head-on. Don't let water damage disrupt your life. Visit our website at restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/mercer-county-nj. We take pride in serving Mercer County, New Jersey, with top-notch water damage restoration solutions. When it comes to water damage restoration in Mercer County, New Jersey, Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration are the experts you can count on.